Got a VOX today. This is just a reminder for beginners. These particular VOXes use two different types of screws. This is wood, you use a wood screw. This is wood, you use a wood screw. This is metal, you use metal machined screws. These are the wood screws. There's 4 of them. The rest are all machined. If you jam the wood screws in the holes where the machined screws go, and then the next time you put the machined screws in the correct hole, you can see what it does to the threads. Makes them pretty useless. Now I have to recut the thread using a die, and once it's recut, then I gotta find machined screws that aren't stripped out like those were.